Hello, this is Shawn Kelly. I wanted to talk to you today about the affiliate franchise and give you a short testimonial. Before I found the affiliate franchise, I had always wanted to get into some type of online business, but as a full-time working professional, I found it very difficult to find something that was done for you, and you didn't have to put in years of time to try to make it work. That's exactly what the affiliate franchise is. Joel and his team created a great start for me by putting together everything I need to be successful and giving me an opportunity to earn while I learn. So I would highly recommend for any busy professional, or anybody for that matter that wants to get into some type of online business, check out the affiliate franchise.